Bobrisky rushed to the hospital because of severe pain. Hi friends, welcome back. Please subscribe. Hello, my favorite people. Then wanna welcome back to my channel. When I did new, wanna welcome. When I did oh, wanna super duper welcome. Alright, better me check below. You see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new. Alright, so my favorite people, then no be small thing you. I'm gonna go alert Teresa. May she close him mouth, yo. Ha! Even if na fly been come to fetch for my mouth, it's not that 9 pass make I rest. Now so the fly no go feel rest you, as you no go feel perch in peace. Nyong 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 nyong. My great people them. Now on top of a risky mattress you. Now don't still show so. Hi, now wow, what people do for love. Oh, Bobrisky, how we say transform to woman, eh? It would have been so nice. They get away for day with you for day so lucky because you can do anything, just anything for love. Alright, my correct everybody for some of them go say, waiting the shell now, better waiting the shell, waiting be all this. My correct people there. Bobrisky, the Russian go hospital. The Russian go hospital. So as the Russian go hospital, say no is Martino. You see the pain gone there unbearable. Ha! The hip see him said they just say if we see a new hip see, if we see a new hip see, cap like this, then go just the fall for ground or just they come out for him. So the new hip see too now come with so much terrible pain. So they let the rush and go hospital. Even he myself be open his mouth say at some point he means to say I told us on 9 bad person go meet a master. My correct people them. So Bobrisky they come rush and go hospital. Say the thing they too much for him. But it's even as the pain and like that he no care, he no send. Because he knows say last he go enjoy him. He say wetin make and get mind do it he do so now because of your guy they top you. According to Rami, explain the man, say he's cute, he's tall, he's dark, he's handsome, akbalakbala day. So your guy at the top like plenty nyash. That's why the one way be done already go do surgery for that one no do in Moga the top. So I told us on I'm bad pass and I go everly continue to the bad pass. Now I say me go add you. Say girls are not smiling now. This in way be man in girls package himself where be say in go even swagger past the girls them. Now you to go package show. Against the doctor's advice. Doctor just say, Bobrisky, wait for some times. As your skin, 85% it don't damage you. Bobrisky say, no. Say, it must swam. Alright, so my people, I'm going to need to talk so much. Make I read within Bobrisky right. Make una see from the horse's mouth. Alright, so the Bobrisky say for those who care to know or rather asking me who I did do nyash for. I am doing it to please my boyfriend. He's so cute. Dark skin, a billionaire, cute lips, clean. So I need to look extremely hot to continue matching his spec. I also don't him to stop spending that cash on your mommy of Lagos. Alright, so my correct people, them now the guy where Bobrisky they talk with this dark, handsome, tall, cute lips, bobo tibo. Una no say me not first right, say he is a billionaire in dollars, not in Nigerian currency. Please, I date strictly fine boys with some hard currency. My wall at Henry Ike can put love emoji. Can say put some respect on my name. Alright, so she be not share the picture of this her boyfriend. Can't also say him be billionaire. Even now, if you go check that name at Henry Ike, you go see the boy pictures. They go appearing. As a result of boyfriend with Bobrisky one please, that in yansh don't make her see Pepe. Him I can write say I was rushed to the nearest hospital 2 nights ago because I was having massive pains on my yibzi. No regrets,
banging body loading. Massive pain was already expected. Now my market fee is increased. You all need to see my hips is damn big and zelzy. And people come reaction. The first one you say, I don't talk, say we go gather for this app, laugh you. You go clear for your eyes like Yoruba blue film. Alright, so the second person here can say, Sha, don't buy yourself because we don't know who you dey do nyash for. But Bobrisky can reply and say, I'm doing the asi for my boyfriend because he deserves it. Can't put love emoji. The last person here can say, why will you make a very big hip? Nah. Will it suit your legs? Talk, my brother ask more. Now wait till they notice also some plenty celebrities, their hips, they carry their legs, yo. Alright, so another person got to say, Sha, don't buy yourself, cause is this same people praising you that will still abuse you if anything goes wrong? Now Bobrisky can say, nothing will go wrong, boo. Ask about me. I am so brave and ready to take any risk, even if it will cost my life at all. Person, for you to know, so wetin that blogger talk no be lie. He say they say 85% of in skin don't damage, but Bobrisky still insists say one day surgery. Now don't hear and finish. Right, so the second year person here can say, which nearest hospital again? Shebi na Dominican Republic you dey. Then the last person can say, if you know you are speechless, park here. So God already parked my keke. Alright, so another person can say he will still cheat. So if the hips like me big nine like Nigeria, go still cheat. The second person say you know wise. The third person say wahala for who no get billionaire boyfriend. The fourth person can laugh. Alright, so as Bobrisky does his in surgery, he may already go thank people. Say thank you so much for those of you checking up on me. I am healing great. Can't wait to hit the ground with my new brother. But in all of that, Bobrisky greatest worry na how John Thomas never enter in Nyash. Now you can write say 2 weeks without ex, damn. Come put emoji where they cry, I beg, when my Nyash go done? So, whether na cook, they cook am. 9 people can follow, reply for comment section. This person can say, is the Nyash still baking? Another person can say, still. Before Nyash go boss, can laugh 2 times. Another person can say, olo, buku. At all. Alright, so my correct evidence. Some people say the Nyash they cook meat. Some people say Oloshi ni Bobby. Some people can say soon, babe. But this weather is tempting. So now na Zabio. My correct people that need be small thing, no be small thing, you. Bobo, he say they in pain, but nothing when they shell where Bobrisky no they put mouth. Even this top where I lebi mattress. Bobrisky don't shook him out. Tire. Make I tell now what he shook put. Alright, so some music where musician where they call her say Adenyika sing, where she talk say Baba Godeh, na him be her guarantor. Na him Tope Alabi, and she been there for all night where she attend. She come dey talk say that the song, he say no follow, that she not supposed to talk say God na her guarantor, that God is bigger than a guarantor. So now people come dey gbege her, no be small thing, no my correct people them. So more now listen to the song first.
Onídúró mi ẹ ṣé o. Onídúró mi ẹ ṣé o. Aláàánú mi ẹ ṣé o. Ìrànwọ́.
Person wey things dey penny although he say na like 2 days ago when they rush am go hospital. Probably he's back by now, I think so. So at least more power go don enter around, they go don do 1 or 2, we go take calm down in body. So he follow shook mouth for this matter here. So be almost all the celebrities they shook him out. He may shook mouth condemn celebrities, say they do eye service and all. My great them that matter tie wrap up, but I just uploaded video about it. So anybody will want to hear much about that matter, yes, make you go watch that videos. Alright, so see what's in Bobrisky, right? He said, I so much dislike majority of these so-called Yoruba broke celebrities. Their high service is damn too much. Even some fools I follow here are ranting on blogs, comment sections about Tope Alabi.
Listen to me, I am not a Christian, yeah? So it's none of my business, but lots of these yeye British in Jesus lovers' voice are trash. If they born you well, come for me. It's on this sick bed I would drag all your generation. I didn't. Why didn't you stand for the other lady before this Tope Alabi saga? Bobo is a risky. You see the game out they threaten. Well, wetin they go just do na to carry pin shook you for that nyash. The thing go just do shh, or the air go just come out. If na water dey inside, go just come out all through way for ground.
Alright, so my great people, them all, thank you so super much for watching this video. May una continue to stay beautiful. May una bye.